Morning guys, I'm on the move again. I haven't posted anything for a little while. As you know, I had a few health issues and it sort of restricted me from doing anything. But I'm back on the road and gonna have to check out some food stalls, food trucks and whatever else pops up. So let's go check these things out now. I'm glad to be back amongst the living, as they say. So yeah, let's do it. Here we go, guys. Awesome day. Heading up to Yarra Valley. Visit my sister up there, but there's a chocolate factory along the way, and I love chocolate. So I'm gonna drop in there too. Let's go and have a look. I'm shining because I got bloody sunblock on me. Okay, let's go. Let's enjoy this day. Well, I'm up in Tulungi at the moment, which is close to the chocolate factory. Just dropped into my sister's place, say hello, you know, had a coffee, and look at the day. What a magnificent day. So just gonna spend a bit of time here and then head off down to the chocolate factory. Beautiful up here. They're bigger than your roses, Mum.
Oh yes, they're bigger. This is the one I used to cut when I come.
Mm.
Oh, the roses.
Look at this. Look at these trees. Absolutely beautiful. There's maple. Did you say it was Japanese maple? No. They're maple. Yeah. Absolutely fantastic. Beautiful. Well, said hello to my sis, and my mum's there, so now I'm heading off. Chocolate factory. Let's go. What an awesome day. Beautiful weather. Absolutely loving this. Loving the drive too. It's all twists and turns and a bit of a race car type of thing. Better watch my speed limit. So this drive is very scenic, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Ever visiting Melbourne, you know, have a drive down this way. It's awesome. It's really, really beautiful. Here we go. We're going to the chocolate factory now. Doesn't seem to be a lot of people there, which is probably a good thing. Yeah, let's go check it out. quite a few people here at the moment, and I didn't expect this. It's absolutely beautiful. Magic day for it, and I'm looking forward to the chocolates actually, to tell the truth. Wow, this is nice. So you can actually see where they're making the chocolates, and this is really, really awesome. Have a look. This is the end result of it, I think. The Great Wall of chocolate. Check this out. This chocolate here, you wouldn't know where to start. I mean, yeah. Definitely not a place for someone who's on a diet. Rocky Road. I love Rocky Road. Rocky Road. Yum. Definitely not a good place for a diabetic. It's just sugar everywhere. It's really, really tasty. I mean, it looks really tasty. I haven't tried anything yet, but I'm going to. So I've got these. Apparently, they're freeze-dried strawberries. Obviously, chocolate coated. So let's take them and try them out. They look good. Well, I got my chocolate, strawberry coated. No, strawberries coated with chocolate. Yum. Just an awesome day, really enjoying it. Chocolate factory hopefully tops it all off, I think. But yeah, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Well, time to head home, and I'll sample some of this chocolate in the car. I'll let you know how it tastes. So before I start driving, these are the chocolates. Yum. And let me just try one for you. Now, I'm only doing this because, you know, I need to sort of keep you guys informed and up to date with all the chocolate factories in Melbourne. Yum. I'm going to put it away, or there won't be any left by the time I get home. So, that's it. Let's head off. You caught me. I'm having one more. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little drive, guys. I'm on my way home now. I'm not going to eat any more chocolate till I get home, or I'll be in trouble. But have a great day, take care of yourself, and as usual, all the way with Ukraine, they will win this war eventually. Take care. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for future content. Have a great day. Cheers.